This is where we have the auricle. Okay, so auricle, and this is where we have the auditory canal. So we prefer to call it canal as compared to external auditory meters, so we can use that. That is actually the passage in the bone. Okay, so I told you canal comes first, tube comes later on. You need to remember that. Most probably I will ask you both. Okay. So auditory canal, auditory tube, that's what you are remembering.
Yeah.
This is where we have the tympanum. So this is tympanum. Actually tympanum is this membrane here, but I can't label it here. I will be labeling it here itself. So tympanic membrane or tympanum, that's what you are calling them. You are giving these common name auditory ossicles. And so this will be our inner ear now. In the inner ear, so these three, they are our semicircular canals. Semicircular canals. Vestibule is the central area. Okay. So this central area is vestibule. I am not asking you to differentiate it in utricle and saccule. So three semicircular canals above, vestibule below, and cochlea lowermost. So this coiled part is cochlea. This is our vestibulocochlear nerve. If you don't remember it, we are just combining vestibule and cochlea names in it. Vestibulocochlear nerve. That's what we are calling it. You can simply call it eighth nerve. Okay, that will be still good. So this is why I asked you or told you that I can ask you stapes. So this is stapes. So in this piece it is complete. So it's Y-shaped, and I will not be asking you. This is where the oval window is. So this one, stapes, it fits up into oval window. That's why they are making an arrow below it. Okay. So I will ask you stapes, not oval window. So I can ask you stapes, I can ask you semicircular canals, I can ask you vestibule, I can ask you cochlea, I can ask you vestibulocochlear nerve. Okay. So